Hey everyone, the Honor MagicPad 3 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most advanced Android tablets of the year, bringing with it the kind of premium specifications and design that place it firmly in the flagship category. Honor has already confirmed that the device will run on Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, a chip designed to deliver not only exceptional raw performance, but also efficiency improvements over previous generations. This ensures that the tablet will be capable of handling demanding tasks such as high-end gaming, productivity apps, and creative workloads with ease, making it a strong competitor in a space dominated by Samsung's Galaxy Tab S series and Apple's iPad Pro lineup. A recent leak has revealed further details about the MagicPad 3 Pro's display, which appears to be one of its standout features. Device will come with a 13.3-inch LCD panel boasting a resolution of 3,200 by 2,136 pixels. This resolution suggests a sharp and detailed viewing experience suitable for streaming high-definition content, photo editing, or immersive gaming. Screen is also tipped to support a refresh rate of up to 165 Hz, which places it at the high end of tablet displays. Such a refresh rate promises ultra-smooth navigation, reduced motion blur in games, and a fluid experience across the user interface. To balance its powerful display and processing hardware, Honor has reportedly included an E2 energy efficiency chip to help optimize power management, paired with a massive 12,450 mAh battery. MagicPad 3 Pro should deliver long-lasting endurance, even under heavy use. The large capacity is comparable to what was found in standard MagicPad 3, which means Honor is focusing on sustaining long sessions of work, media consumption, or gaming without users needing to frequently recharge. This will likely make it a go-to option for professionals on the move, as well as entertainment-focused users. On the software front, the tablet is expected to ship with macOS 10, Honor's latest operating system built on top of Android. macOS has been gradually refined to provide a smoother and more integrated user experience. And on a flagship device like this, users can expect optimizations that take advantage of both the high refresh display and the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Features such as improved multitasking, split-screen functionality, and tight integration with Honor smartphones and other ecosystem devices should help elevate the MagicPad 3 Pro into more than just a standalone device. In terms of design, early renders and leaks suggest the MagicPad 3 Pro will closely resemble the standard MagicPad 3, featuring a dual rear camera setup in a squircle-shaped housing. While tablets are not primarily photography devices, this inclusion suggests Honor wants to maintain versatility for users who may occasionally rely on the tablet for capturing images or scanning documents. Although Honor has not yet confirmed a release date, leaks point to a launch window in October. When it does arrive, the MagicPad 3 Pro is expected to position itself as a direct rival to other premium tablets, with a strong focus on display quality, battery life, and raw performance. With its combination of high refresh rate visuals, cutting-edge Snapdragon processor, and massive battery capacity, the device is shaping up to be one of the most capable Android tablets of 2025, appealing to power users, gamers, and professionals alike. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.